Ooh, welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures. And today we are opening
Squishy eggs!
Yes, today we are opening squishy eggs. And we have this egg carton here, and we're gonna open it up and see what's inside.
Yeah, and it's almost broken on the side.
Alright, start opening it from there.
I'm using my strong power, Daddy.
Oh, strong power.
Got it! Wait a minute, there's tape. Use the scissors, Daddy.
There you go.
No time to open it. Wow!
Ooh, open it up. Whoa!
There's so many eggs.
Look at all those.
They're so taped. We have to use the scissors.
Oh, we gotta use the scissors for the egg.
Yeah, cut it down.
Yeah. Ooh, so pick one egg.
This one first. Oh, let's open up.
Ooh,
What is this?
what is that?
Whoa, it's
Ooh, it's so squishy. Whoa.
stretch. Whoa.
Whoa, what is it? What is it?
It's like a dolphin.
Like a dolphin?
Yeah.
Let me see. Look at that. It looks like a dolphin. Let me see.
Let's see the squishy dolphin.
Yeah, let's take a look at it. Right there. It's like a little dolphin.
Yeah, it is like a little dolphin.
Let's see. Let's take a look at that right there.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
You can swim underwater with the penguins.
Yeah, alright.
Time to open the purple one.
The purple one.
Got it. See what's inside. Whoa, there's a rabbit.
That's like a rabbit?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
Like
And it has like a hole in the middle.
Yeah, it's like a donut rabbit.
Oh, it's like a donut rabbit. Let me see. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So
Whoa.
stretchy.
It's so stretchy. Look at that. Let me see. Whoa, look at this.
They can jump on the grass, but they can actually jump like anything like this, like jump.
Whoa.
They can actually like jump on the grass.
Nice.
They can actually jump on the grass.
Yeah.
And let's open the yellow egg.
Let's open the yellow egg.
Let's see what's inside.
Yeah.
I see something inside. Wow! It's a pig donut.
A what?
A pig donut.
A pig donut? Let me see. Ooh. Let's see how stretchy it is. Whoa.
Super duper stretchy.
Super duper stretchy. Look at that. Like use it like a ring. Let's see. Try to use it like a ring.
It's like a rain.
Yeah.
Let's open
Let me see. Let me see.
Well, it's a different part of the rabbit.
Ooh. Look at this.
It's a different part of the rabbit.
Ooh.
It's
so like squeaky.
Yeah.
It's so bouncy. Look at that.
You're so bouncy. This one's so bouncy too.
Here you go.
Whee! Oh, he can roll.
What color are you gonna open next?
It's the peach one.
Ooh. That's like pink.
Yeah, it is like pink. But we already got the pink one.
No, that one is like light purple. It's like the two tones of purple. We have like dark purple and ooh, shake it, shake it.
See what's inside. Wow, it's a bear.
Ooh, what is that? Oh, panda bear. Let me see.
A panda bear.
Whoa, stretch it. Let's see.
Woo!
Whoa. Whoa.
Super stretch.
Super stretch. Let me see. Let me see right there. Let me see
Oh.
it in your hands. Let's see. Whoa. Let's take a look at this panda. It's so stretchy. Look at that.
Oh, that can squish it too.
Let's see here. Ooh.
Three of the things before.
What are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna do the light purple.
Light purple. Let's see.
Let's see who we got.
Let's see what we get.
Another pig.
Ooh, what is that? Let's see.
It's a white pig.
It's a white pig?
Yeah.
Oh, yes it is. Stretch it. Let's see.
It's just at the same time.
That's the rabbit and that's like a pig. Let me see. Ew. Let's take a look at this one. It's like a white pig. It's so bouncy. Stretch this one. Let's see if that one stretches nice. Whoa. Squeaky, stretchy.
Straffle! Like a strack lava.
All right, let's try another one.
Let's try the purple one.
Ooh.
Let's see what's inside. I think we got a different animal. We got a different one. It's a bird.
It's a birdie?
Yeah, it is.
Ooh, it's a little bird. A little like pinky bird.
A boo-baby. A boo-baby. They're both pink.
Yeah.
Let's hold a seat on your hand.
Oh, look at this. Look at that. So bouncy. I love how they bounce.
Yeah,
So
they're
bouncy.
Yeah, let's see. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, and this beer too, and this one too.
They're so bouncy.
Yeah. Oh. What?
All right. What are we gonna open next? What do we have next? Ooh, what is that?
A green one.
The green one.
Wait.
Try to open it up.
I'm trying.
Whoa!
It's another birdie.
Ooh, that's a what? Look at it well. What is that?
It's like a penguin.
Yes, that's a penguin. Let's see if the penguin is stretchy.
Wow! Super stretch.
Whoa!
Like
Super stretchy. Let me see.
Super duper stretchy.
Ooh, oh my God! You stretched it too much. You took all the paint out. Look at that. You stretched it so much. You took the paint from the belly. Oh my God. That was a lot of stretch.
That's so funny.
You took all the paint.
Yeah, I took all the paint.
All right, let's see.
It's okay. We're
Let's
good.
open.
This one.
What is that?
Cleo, a A clear yellow one.
Yeah, that's like a light yellow.
Huh? Where do I open it next?
There you go.
Whoa! Get off.
Shake it, shake it.
And open it. Whoa! It's a bee!
It's a bee?
Yes, it is!
Oh my god.
Let's stretch it!
Yeah, try not to take the paint out. let me see, let me see.
I take out the pink again.
Oh my god.
All the pink.
Let me see. Whoa, it's like a little bee. Look at that. It's like a nice little
No, it's
bee.
like
Whoa, so nice. Look at that. Here you go.
Let's go with the white one.
Yes, let's go with the white one.
Let's see what's inside. Oh, I got it. And
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
wait, I see something. Whoa, it's a turtle!
Whoa, it's a turtle. Let me see. Stretch it, stretch it.
Stretch his head.
Oh my god, it might break it. Oh no.
Or the pink.
Whoa, look at that turtle.
You can actually swim on water.
Let me see.
You can swim on water.
Yeah,
You
it
can-
can swim on water. Let's take a look at this.
And you can so like
It's like a little turtle. Whoa, I really like the color of this one. Doing. Here you go. Ooh. Whoa, we have so many.
let's get the teal one.
Yes.
Look, I can see me.
Let's open it up.
It's like a mirror.
Let's open it. Ooh.
Do do do. There's 2 more eggs to go.
Yeah. Shake it, shake it.
Ooh, I see something green.
You see something green inside?
Yeah.
Whoa, what could it be?
It's what is this?
I don't know. What is that? It looks like a cloud.
Yeah, it is.
What is it? A green cloud?
Yeah, it is.
I don't know. Let me take a look at that. I don't know. What is this?
I don't know what is that.
It is like a green cloud. That's so weird. It looks like a green cloud. I mean, look at this. It's like a green cloud.
Yeah, it is a green cloud.
Whoa.
Let's open some more eggs, but we got 2 more to go.
What?
2 more to go.
Yeah. Ooh, which one is that one?
A blue one.
The blue egg. Chin, chin, chin.
Yeah. Do, 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 do.
Whoa.
Let's see what's inside. Whoa!
What is that?
It's like a dog.
Whoa, we got a green dog. It's so much green. Oh my god, like everything is green.
Everything is green. You can't see.
Let me see, stretch it.
Woo! I don't think I got the beat.
Let me see. Let's take a look at this dog. Huff, 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 huff. Doing.
Give me it. Let's see this dog stretch.
Let's see the dog stretch. Whoa.
Let's see the dog squish. Whoa, his ears big.
Yeah, look at that. Ooh, and the last one. Chin, chin, and chin.
Time to blank. Oh, we
Let's
get a
see.
kitty.
Which one is that one?
Oh, a green one.
Yeah.
I hope we get a kitty.
Ooh, yes, we haven't gotten a kitty. Let's see.
No.
What is that?
This is another dog. It's squirrel.
A what?
A squirrel.
A squirrel? You think it's a squirrel?
Yeah, it is.
Let me see. Let me take a look at it.
It's not a cat. I don't think we got a cat.
Oh, it is a cat. Look, you got the cat. It is a cat. That's not a squirrel. That's a pink. Oh, hold on. Oh, let me see. Oh, yes, it is a squirrel. Look at the tail.
That's not cat.
Oh, it's a squirrel, but that's a weird squirrel. But you can tell it's a squirrel because of the tail. Because the cats don't have the tail like that. I don't know. What do people think it is? I don't know. Oh my God, let's see them all together.